Microwave lemon curd ingredients: 200 g castor sugar, 3 eggs, 250 ml fresh lemon juice, 3 lemons, zest, 100 g unsalted butter. Melted directions in a glass or plastic bowl. Whisk together the sugar and eggs until smooth. Stir in lemon juice, lemon zest and butter. Cook in the microwave for 1-minute intervals. Stir in after each minute until the mixture is thick enough to coat the back of a metal spoon. Remove from the microwave and pour into small sterile jars. Store for up to 3 weeks in the refrigerator.